Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Well, hello friends, my name is Holly and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be doing our front porch decorate with me, and I have a very easy, kind of healthy, but delicious recipe I want to share with y'all. I'm gonna make me a pumpkin spice latte at first, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I got these grapevine wreaths from Walmart, and I had them delivered to me with my Walmart grocery order, and we're just gonna stick these on these urns and then use these ferns. I got these ferns in the spring and they still look wonderful, so I wanted to use these this year for my fall decor. So usually in the springtime is whenever we do a big like front porch and back patio deep clean, but for fall and the other seasons I just kind of blow it off and just wipe down the surfaces. So we're gonna do that real quick and then start decorating. Also, happy first day of autumn. I didn't realize whenever I was posting this video today that it was going to be our first day of autumn, so we get to celebrate together. Let me know what you are doing today to celebrate fall. I bought these new pillow covers from Amazon. I'll be sure to link them down below, but we're going to replace these hydrangea ones for these for the fall season. This is actually the next day. I went ahead and sprayed everything off with the hose pipe. Didn't do pressure washing, but just sprayed everything off, so I wanted everything to dry. And now we're going to go and decorate our spaces. So I had these little LED lamps that are rechargeable, and I got them off of Amazon in a 2-pack, so I'll try to link those down below too. But I thought the little ambiance of the lamp out here would be so pretty and cozy. And now we're just tucking some of these faux pumpkins that I have had for several years now. Some came from Hobby Lobby and some came from a local shop, but I decided to use these this year on my front porch because our front porch gets really hot. Like the sun just pounces on our front porch during the fall season, more so than even the summer season. And so our pumpkins tend to rot pretty easily, so I thought I would just use all of my faux pumpkins that looked realistic out here. So you'll have to tell me what you think. So we mixed in some real plants and some faux pumpkins. These wreaths I've had for a few years. I got them at Home Goods. They are the Martha Stewart brand, and they do have lights on them, but sadly it's not timer lights, so I hardly ever turn these on. And then my little wreath sashes, my mom made me, and our local So Charmin monogrammed them for me. I wanted to add some bows, and I'm trying to decide if I want to use this velvet ribbon from Hobby Lobby, but I think it's going to be too skinny. But I've also had this plaid one I got from Hobby Lobby a few years ago and I've never used, so we decided to use this one because it was wider, and I just wanted to tie little bows on here just for a little bit more of a pop of fall. We have done corn stalks before, we've done hay bales. I try to change it up every year, and I just really love the front porch this year. So you'll have to let me know what you think about it down in the comments down below, especially if you've been around and seen our front porch decorate with me throughout the years. But those are on my channel, so if you want to go back and look how it's changed through the years and get more inspiration, definitely go back and check those out.
Autumn comes too soon.
So I'm going to share this recipe down below, but basically the batter is bananas. We had some overripe bananas, so I'm going to use that. I also added in cinnamon and walnuts, and those things were not called for in the recipe. And also I didn't have stevia, so I used honey. So I kind of substituted some things and added some things, but I will link the original recipe down below. And this is actually from my cousin Camille, and these are so good. So usually I put them in muffin pans, but I decided to do it in a bundt cake this time, and it turned out so beautiful and so good. And we actually had this for breakfast Saturday morning and Sunday morning. So it was a nice little cozy treat for us to have for the weekend. And then also we had the front porch and the back patio all tidied up and decorated for fall. So we were able to enjoy our coffee and banana nut bread out on the patio and front porch this weekend, and it was so nice. So be sure to hit that subscribe button because my back patio makeover is coming up on Thursday's video with some more fun little surprises and treats. So I would love for you, if you have not already, to join our YouTube family and hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned because we have lots more Decorate With Me videos coming soon, a home tour for fall, and lots of other friends and families home tours for the fall season. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I love you girls so much. God bless, and I will see y'all on the very next one. Bye, friends.
Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.